Welcome everybody, welcome back to Maximum Voice. I'm very happy to have you here, just as much as my friend Tabea. Again, she's going to help me with some harmonizing today. Last session we checked out some options that we might want to feel, how we can get together with singing, and which options would be important for you to figure out new voices. And today we're gonna test that on a song from Zoe Wees. It's called Control. It's a very, very beautiful song. You looking forward to it? She's very nervous. She's very nervous. So, what we want to do today, she's going to play the song, and we are going to start with some scales to sing over it, to check out the material that is within the song, so we know already which kind of notes we need or we can use. And it's working like the following. So that's what I'm having. I have this beautiful piano, and now I want to listen to the deepest note, the bass note I could find, and start there with a scale. So, la 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 la. So here you already can hear, oh okay, I can use all of those notes. Doesn't matter where to start, I can start on any of those points. And I'm gonna show you an example now. I'm gonna stop on just one note and I'm going to sing from that. Na, 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 na. You are always with me and it hurts so much to be a stand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Okay, great. Thank you. So you saw already, I just picked out one note and just figured out, okay, where do I feel myself? You might heard I was a little bit adjusting in the beginning because I was making this line up right now because I'm just having the starting note and I'm trying to figure myself through the song with that. And it's really fun. And I would like to ask Tabea to do the same now. Na 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 na.
Nothing I can do anymore.
Okay, thank you.
I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath. I don't wanna lose control.
Okay, now we want to transfer that from checking it out on the video and just getting in tune with that to singing it together. And this time Tabea is going to sing just the main vocals of the chorus. I'm going to try to play a little bit along here, and I'm going to improvise a voice above it so you can hear how this would sound.
I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath. Spinning out in space, sitting on my chest. I don't wanna lose control.
So this would have been an example where I was going below the voice. If you want to make new voices, you want to check out the main voice, because in the main voice, the melody line is already quite high, so it opens up a lot of space below. But now I'm also, just to show you, going to try to go ahead of the voice, a little bit on top of it.
I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do
work. I had to work out my way in there too now, to not be clashing, not just being doubling the melody just an octave higher, which can be a little bit tricky, but with a little bit of practice, you will be able to do it. And in the end, you will have a really nice resonating song and sound, and you can start adding other people to it. And just to show you how nicely it resonates, we're gonna do that without the piano. I'm only gonna do the first chord, and then from there on, we're just gonna sing without any instrument, and you can really enjoy the full resonance in what we're doing here. So this is our chord. So you need to sing.
I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Driving na 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 na. Living every na 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 na. I don't wanna lose control.
Sweet. So you noticed we just left out the lyrics because we both couldn't remember, which is absolutely fine because right now we are focusing on harmonizing. You should start with the harmonization, feeling the things, and then you can re-go, learn the lyrics, add the lyrics. It's absolutely no problem. You don't need to nail everything in one time. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a comment, and join the channel. We would love to have you. And I hope to see you soon with the next video. Bye bye.